Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing behind this 2025 Harris 270 Grand Mariner. As you can see, it's equipped with the white exterior and the black powder coated fence, with the white Mercury 400 horsepower motor and the joystick single engine feature here. Here is the rear thruster. There's another thruster that gets put on in the back. You can also see it has the upgraded wood trim package and the black exterior here. This is the single lounger here in the back. Right now it is folded in the down position. We can fold it up. Gives you position number 2. And then fold it up once more. And now you can sit on either side and get about 6 seats. With the safety railing and fender holders here, you got the nice fender holders and the safety railing. With this chain clip closed, in Missouri you can legally ride facing backwards. So these seats are applicable underway. You can also close this gate if you feel the need to keep everybody inside of the boat. Storage underneath here, and then some speaker components, and then you have an insulated cooler box back here with the owner's packet in it currently. Check out the nice helm with the upgraded steering wheel here. Good looking steering wheel. The joystick feature, your glove box, dual Simrad screens, upgraded JL audio sound system. This boat has a lot of bells and whistles to it. Nice feature here is the 2 co-captain seats. Right next to the helm, you can turn them to face forward, face backwards, spin them around, and then you do have this console here with a wireless charger, and then your USB, USB-C. Removable ottoman with cooler. It's a nice feature. You can use it as a footrest, as a drink holder, or as something miscellaneous. If you don't like where it's put, just moved it across the floor. You have a flip up end table, in floor storage, and storage underneath the seats. It's a sharp looking boat here with the white exterior, the black interior. Again, this is a 2025 270 Grand Mariner. For more information, you call us at 573-606-3022. We look forward to getting you out on the water.